All right, fellas, get you some of this. Right? Check these babies out. Okay?
Come on, you bastards. Let the snow begin. Yeah, I'm ready. We just gotta put gas in this one. E26. Alright, bring it.
Liz and I came up with an acronym, right? SNAVs or SAVs. SAV. Snow Assault Vehicles. Let it snow, you bastards! All right, because we're like in the middle of January now, and all we had was this. Isn't that sad? All right, it's good. It's good. It's good. I'm happy, right? Because I haven't had to deal with snow and haven't really. Well, I've been ready with the 826, but I'm pretty happy so far. Thing came out really good. There's still a lot more to do. What can I say? Right? You can't make everything perfect, fellas. And hopefully this inspires you to go out there and get you some of this. Oh, telephone. Is that money calling? All right. I'll see you guys in the next one.